So, anomalous geometric body marks have been used as evidence for supernatural encounters like devil marks or the witch's mark. And in the 80s and 90s, they were used for alien abduction marks. Now, there's a whole lot of other things happening now with anomalous body marks reported alongside non-human intelligence encounters. And so I'm building software to explore this idea. And I just wanted to share with you a demonstration of that software. I'm getting a screen share going of a video I made, which is a sped up version of me using this software. You can get to this software on my GitHub account, and it's open source, and I have a lot of information about how to use it. It's based in Python, and it takes in the image of a body mark and outputs something abstract. So we're getting to Natalie's case here, who is an experiencer that I've worked with in hypnosis and dream work to explore these marks. And this is one of the reasons why I'm exploring it. Now, here's another mark that's quite interesting to me, or a couple marks because of the regular pattern there. And so I'm using this software to extract the body mark from these cases. Now, here's Shan's case. This is one of my first red grid mark phenomena cases. And as you can see, they're all the same type of phenomena, the red grid mark phenomena. Here we've got one of the earliest cases on the internet from around 2011, I believe, and it links back to this case that goes back to 2003. And so the software really extracts the mark from the image and gives it to you in a sort of standardized way. And that's what it's about. So you can compare really easily what you see there. Now I've brought them all into my graphics program, GIMP, and I'm now lining them up to explore their congruence. Are they similar grids? Are they different grids? How are they similar? How are they dissimilar? And this is one of the ways that I find meaning in working with these. So all of these grid marks were associated with some sort of intuition of contact or some dreamlike experience. This one's Marina's case. She's a plastic surgeon, had a near-death experience, was supported by a team of doctors, and had this mysterious mark. And so I'm showing how some of the marks I worked with really do line up with the grid. Here, you'll see the dot sizes are similar. They kind of line up. Of course, these are images taken on the body at different perspectives. Now I'm trying to put Natalie's mark on the more square grid or the hexagonal grid, trying to find a click. And so it really does click for me in the hexagonal one. So if you want to share a body mark with me or get an extracted photo, just go to my website, learn more about it, but you can reach out to me, Daniel at D-SETI. I explain how I'm going to use it and how to get in contact with me. And the way to do that is by making a public post to Reddit or YouTube or wherever you want to post, and it can be anonymous. And that way I can go to that post. You've already put it out in public, and I can just transform the image, the body mark, and then put it in my research. That way you're already a public experience, or we're exploring it in that way. So thank you for your attention. If you're curious about this, please do feel free to reach out. Thank you for your attention. May your dreams enlighten the world.